So here's 5 good reasons why people want to make their cars like new again. Restorative valeting, or making cars like new again, detailing. So typically people come in with cars that they've either just bought or they've had a few years, and they want us to take a view on it, have a look around it and advise on what we can do. Sometimes it might need a scuff on a bumper doing, the paintwork needs buffing, and people like the idea of protecting them if they're going to keep them. Ceramic coatings and protection products. A lot of cars, brand new cars, and some people want to do older cars. If you look on our website, you'll see lots of different examples of cars we've done. But the ceramic coatings and nano coating technology now is brilliant. We've been doing all different coatings for years, but the latest stuff now is amazing. We can put coatings on the paintwork that do self-cleaning, and it really does work. Obviously you do need to clean the car occasionally, but the car, it literally does do self-cleaning. And we do coatings for wheels, coatings for leather, coatings for the glass, and obviously the paintwork. And it's becoming more and more popular. It's amazing how good it is. Water leak finding is something we've done for many years, and we're very good at that. For those of you who don't know what that means, is if you've got water on the footwell of the car or in the boot, or they're the main places, but they can be a nightmare. It can smell, and you're steaming up windows all the time, and there's electronic problems that can go with it. So we find water leaks. We've got a great team around us for that, and we can fix them. Most of them. Occasionally we need an expert, somebody maybe to put a windscreen in, reseal it, and we know we've got some good companies around us that can do those things. But we're kitted out with the drying and the smoke machines and the diagnostic cameras and all the kit for that. And we've got powerful blowers to dry the cars with. Decontamination. Cars get all sorts of things happen to them. We've seen them all over the years. Concrete on the outside and cement on the outside, and overspray paint from people painting fences, and on the inside smoke, smells from previous owners, spillages, smells from dogs, and all sorts of things. Even people spill all sorts of milk and everything in cars. So we're good at treating those. Pre-lease return inspections. Cars need to be checked before they go back to lease companies. Some people think they know their cars, but we check them and make sure they do. There are some things that are wise to repair before the car comes back, and there are some things that are unwise to repair. A lot of people get all that wrong, and have their wheels refurbished as an example. We often don't recommend it, so the best way to do it is to check the car over and then call your lease company, and then decide after that, rather than give the car back and get a bill for it, and particularly for something you didn't even know was there. So we're very good at it. We've got a process. Just call us up and we'll take you through it. We run a full range of smart repair services, so dent removal, scuffs, and of course they work very well with the lease returns and the making cars like new again. It all fits. And we've got a great relationship with the body shop, so if you're worried about something that might be a bit more than a smart repair, then by all means let's have a look at it and we can decide what the best solution is for you. So how to get here? We're in the middle of Chelmsford. Obviously you can see the address on our site, but just give us a call and we'll have a look at your car. Amazing.